Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or a professional aerial creator, these drones offer the best combination of camera quality, flight performance, and smart features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone 4K EIS Camera. The Potensic Atom SE is an ultra-lightweight drone under 249 grams, featuring a 4K EIS camera, up to 62 minutes of total flight time, 4km FPV transmission, and a max flying speed of 16 meters per second. It also includes GPS positioning, brushless motors, and an auto-return function, all packed into a foldable design. This is one of the best beginner drones available in 2025. It delivers stable footage thanks to EIS, long flight time for its size, and reliable GPS performance. It's also extremely travel-friendly because you don't need FAA registration in many regions. Pros: lightweight and ultra-portable, good 4K EIS camera quality, long 62-minute battery life, stable flight with brushless motors, and great for beginners. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, low light footage is average. Number 2. GPS drone with EIS 4K camera plus 5.0-inch screen controller. This drone features a 4K EIS camera, a built-in 5-inch screen directly on the controller, 70 minutes of total flight time, long-range transmission, and smart modes like AI track, orbit mode, follow me, and auto return. It also stays under 249 grams. What makes this drone stand out is the screen built directly into the controller. You don't need a smartphone to fly, making setup much faster. The camera stabilization is solid, and the AI tracking modes work well for outdoor filming or action shots. Pros: controller has built-in screen, AI tracking and orbit modes, lightweight design, long 70-minute battery duration. Cons: EIS only, no 3-axis gimbal. Construction feels less premium. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone Fly More combo. This upgraded Potensic Atom model features a true 3-axis gimbal with a 4K camera, 96 minutes of total flight time, a 6km transmission range, and visual tracking options like quick shots and follow me. It stays under 249 grams and comes in a full Fly More combo package. This is a major step up in stabilization compared to most sub-250G drones. The gimbal delivers cinematic footage, and the 6km range is impressive. With nearly 1.5 hours of flight time, this drone offers amazing value for both beginners and hobby filmmakers. Pros: true 3-axis mechanical gimbal, long 96-minute flight time, excellent video stabilization, great tracking modes. Cons: slightly pricier than EIS-only drones. App connection can occasionally lag. Number 4. Professional 4K drone, 3-axis gimbal, plus 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This professional-grade drone includes a 4K HD camera on a 3-axis gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, a payload release system, tablet-style touchscreen controller, up to 5 miles of range, and 84 minutes of flying time. It's rainproof and includes GPS-safe height auto-return. This is a high-end drone built for creators who need safety and stability. The obstacle avoidance is reliable, and the touchscreen controller is great for live monitoring and quick adjustments. The payload release system also makes it ideal for search, rescue, or delivery-related tasks. Pros: full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, tablet-style touchscreen controller, rainproof design, long 84-minute flight capability, suitable for professional use. Cons: larger and heavier than compact drones, higher price range. Number 5. SwellPro FD2 Fisherman Max Heavy Lift Drone. The SwellPro FD2 Fisherman Max is a powerful waterproof drone designed for fishing and heavy lifting. It carries up to 7 pounds of bait, has a 1.5 km casting range, IP67 weatherproofing, and includes a 4K camera. This is a foldable, rugged drone built for tough environments. If you need a drone for fishing or outdoor work, this is one of the strongest options in the market. It's extremely durable, handles wind well, and the payload capacity sets it apart. Not ideal for everyday filming, but unbeatable for specialized use. Pros: heavy lift 7-pound payload, fully waterproof IP67, perfect for fishing or extreme outdoor use, durable and powerful motors. Cons: not a typical photography drone. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to say how much I appreciate everyone who watches, comments, and supports the channel. Your engagement genuinely helps this community grow, and it motivates me to keep bringing you the best product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides.